Welcome. If your neck and shoulders feel tight after long hours of sitting, stretching might not be enough. I'm Dina and I help you improve strength and mobility over 40 in a way that it's kind and safe to your body. Today, in this short practice, we're going to strengthen the muscles that support your posture. So whenever you're ready, let's begin. Let's start in Hero's Pose today. So bring your sit bones to your heels. And just take a moment to settle here. And straight away raise your arms to the side. And we're going to start drawing small circles with the arms rotating at the shoulder level. We're just warming up here. So start with small circles. And then maybe increase them to wider circles. Make this movement calm, monitor it. Do not rush it. Just try to feel the entire shoulder joint working. And if you've done one direction, stop and let's switch directions and make it the same intention. Start with small, then slowly increase, but do not rush. We're just warming up here. You should start to feel it already. Just one more breath here. And then stop. Shake your hands. Good. Now bring your palms together, interlace your fingers, and start to gently rotate your wrists. And again, make it mindful, intentional. Do not rush it. Notice your wrist. Notice any tension. If you've done one direction, switch to the other one. And this may feel tricky for some of us. Good. Now stop and extend your arms, extending the wrists. Bring your palms up, 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 up. Good. And then shake them off. Perfect. Now let's come onto our palms and knees. And we're going to start with some scapular push-ups. So you have the option to start with your knees down. Try to maintain your arms straight here. And all you're going to do is lifting and shifting your chest. So as you inhale, you're going to draw your chest up, 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 slow round in the spine, feeling the shoulder blades as they distance from each other. And as you exhale, you're going to draw your chest down. That's all we're doing. The arms are straight. So inhale, chest up, feel it in your shoulder blades. Your upper back is working here. And exhale, down, shoulder blades come together. Chest goes between your arms. Inhale. And exhale. We carry on like this. Now, if this is too easy for you, you have the option to do this from a plank pose. And you do the same movement. Slow and in control. It doesn't look like you're doing much, but I'm sure you feel it. Just two more. Good. Now slowly lower yourself onto the belly. Release your feet, let them settle on the ground. Extend the arms like in a Y shape. And from here on the next inhalation, we're going to raise your arms up and the upper back. And just stay here for a couple of breaths, settling into the pose. and then lower. And let's add some dynamic to this pose. So inhale, raise up very. Exhale, lower down. Inhale. Exhale, lower with control. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Let's do two more. Inhale. And exhale. And inhale. And exhale. Good. Now settle just for a second. And now we're going to raise up and hold for 5 breaths. Inhale up. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Slowly come down. Perfect. Now bring the palms to the side of your chest. Slowly lift up into an upward facing dog, flexing the spine, looking up. Chest is forward. Bend the knees. Send the pelvis back and up, and let's find downward facing dog. Just pedal the feet here. Settle your breath. And now for the final posture, lower down onto your forearms for a dolphin pose. You may keep the knees bent here if that's okay, but try not to force. Gaze between your palms. Try to bring your shoulders, send the shoulders further away from your ears. This is a difficult pose, but this is where we integrate everything. Calm your breath. Hold this pose. Two more breaths. Your shoulders should be shaking by now, that's okay. They are just trying to stabilize this pose. And then slowly lower the knees to the mat, and let's come down into the same pose that we've had at the beginning of the practice, which is the hero's pose. Extend the arms as much as you can. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Bring them overhead, interlace the fingers, stretch up. And now roll your shoulders slowly. Turn your head gently to the side, to the other side. Just notice how you feel. Your shoulders should feel stronger by now. Switch directions just for a couple of moments. Because posture improves when strength improves. Maybe place the fingers onto the shoulders if that's easier for you. Just shake them, releasing any tension we've just created. If you've loved this practice, the next week we will do an evening recovery for achy joints. So please subscribe, leave me a comment. How did you feel after this practice? I wish you an amazing rest of the day. Namaste.